welcome to today, Thursday, December 3rd, 2020. Today I'm live in Ms. Castellanos' classroom, and I have three pledgers, and their names are?
Diego. Kimberly.
Okay, I have two pledgers, Diego and Kimberly. If you would please stand, place your hand over your heart as we do the Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, one indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee.
Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Y ahora la bandera de los Estados Unidos. Voy a dar a la bandera de los Estados Unidos
de América y a la república que representa, una nación ante Dios indivisible con libertad y justicia para todos.
Ahora la bandera de Texas. Honro la bandera de Texas. Prometo fidelidad a ti, Texas.
Un estado bajo Dios e indivisible.
Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel loved. You have the right to feel safe, and you have the right to feel respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home, at school, or on the bus that makes you feel unloved, that makes you feel disrespected, or that makes you feel unsafe, please tell someone. Find a trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. We do have one happy birthday in the house today, December 3rd. Happy birthday to Nicholas G. in 5th grade. We hope you have a very happy birthday. We do have some announcements. We are continuing with our No Place for Hate. We are on No Place for Hate campus. We have Operation North Pole, so team leaders, if you have not turned in that form, please do so. And then also we are continuing winter pictures. So today, I believe it's 2nd and 3rd grade that are taking their winter pictures in the gymnasium. So because of that, specials might be altered a little bit, so please make sure you know where you're going. Our character education theme for the month of December, actually there are two character education themes, and they are honesty and integrity. Mark Twain had some suggestions about being honest. Always tell the truth. That way you don't have to remember what you said. And when in doubt, tell the truth. What do you think people have to be, why do you think people have to be reminded to tell the truth and be honest? So that's something to think about. Remember, when in doubt, tell the truth. All right, that's all I have for you today. So it's something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours, and we hope that today and every day you choose to make it a terrific Thursday. I'm sorry.